Coach Samuel Boadu has been charged for misconduct. So coach in the makase the name of the way biano and say or professionalism. To me, my opinion. So that's my opinion. The name of the pitches in and professionalism on part of Coach Samuel Boadu. Yes, that's why I always say in Samuel Kotoko. We can't tolerate such character in Asante Kotoko. No, and this is me for woman, but the attitude now or channel. No. Coach Ogumu MB who that kind of even though no at times and never go your favor, but you need to accept it in good faith. Now no cool him, Sana was away. And Tine F now, F no at the Yaba, I'm the tabo. As somebody and Sankaya Krabia Batches, the Chelsea head coach Samuel Boadu has been charged with a breach of Article 12 of the GFA Disciplinary Code 2019 and the Article 34 subsection 6D of the GFA Premier League Regulations 2019 following their FA Cup semi-final against Asante Kotoko at Takwatiene Stadium. It is alleged that after the match, coach approached the referees in an aggressive, angry, and fierce manner, using inappropriate gestures, which constitute misconduct that brings the game into disrepute. He has until Thursday, May 15th, 2025, to respond to charges now. Yeah, they etiana no. Because coach no. Maybe or any biano enter professionalism. No. A bad faith. And if we on aswe eba abrenyi no. And is be a mental coach no. Mental but the name now and any near or any park and so no. A sell on Uncle send maybe, but if he doesn't know, also what name yes, that's what name may be. And yes, M1. Nabufu mu biano as and bufu na okoso and maybe a emfata M1 my game no. So that I say, coaches be any referees ni nya adwene we say in favor referees decision bo no ma I go in your favor before it nya de bia da na wo benya na sa na any referees so mo ni pa make my mistakes and not what taking in good faith na yakoye nim e ho no rather than say oba cause a whole lot of things on the field after the game. No enya na sa Coach Samuel Boadu, you need to be careful. Nansa they are not. Okay, Makramo. Participate me for which like comments written about comment section. Let's subscribe if I'm na grow this channel together. Shalom, peace, Makramo.